Welcome back. In this video, we shall guide you how to configure and navigate through the inventory management software. This video will also guide you on how to upload stocks and inventory in your POS software. Before we proceed, I would highly appreciate if you could kindly hit the like button below and also subscribe to our channel. Inventory setup. Warehouse. This is where you create and list all your warehouses. From the main window, select Warehouse. Click Create Warehouse. Type the warehouse details, then click Save. Suppliers. This is where you create and list all suppliers for your products. From the main window, select People then Suppliers. Click Create Supplier. Type the supplier details then click Save. Customers. This is where you create a list of all your customers. From the main window, select People then Customers. Click Create Customer. Type the customer's details then click Save. User roles. First define the user roles and create store before creating users. From the main window, select Roles or Permissions. Click Create Role. Type the role, for example admin or cashier. Select the access levels assigned to this role then click Save. Store. This is where you create and list all stores for your business. From the main window, select Store. Click Create Store. Type the store details, then click Save. Creating users. This is where you create users for your system. From the main window, select People then Users. Click Create User. Enter the name, email address, phone number and password for the new user. Select the user role from the drop-down list then select Store Assigned. Click Save. Loading products to the system or warehouse. First define the categories, variation, base units, units, and brands before loading products to the system. Categories. These are the major categories for the products stocked in the store, for example electronics and toys. From the main window, select Products then Product Category. Click Create Product Category. Type the category name, upload photo then click Save. Variations. These are the varieties or different unique characteristics of products stocked in the store, for example for bread we have white and brown, for apples we have green and red, etc. From the main window, select Products then Variations. Click Create Variation. Type the product name, enter the varieties. Click plus sign to add more varieties. Click Save. Brands. These are the brands for the products stocked in the store, for example iPhone, Nike and Samsung. From the main window, select Products then Brands. Click Create Brand. Type the brand name, upload photo then click Save. Base units. These are the main units of measurement for the products stocked in the store, for example liters and meters. From the main window, select Products then Base Units. Click Create Base Units. Type the base unit name, then click Save. Units. In this section you list all units of measurement for the products stocked in the store with their subcategories, for example gram, kilogram, liters, milliliters, dozen, and piece. From the main window, select Products then Units. Click Create Units. Type the unit name, enter the unit abbreviations or short name. Select the base unit to derive this unit. Click Save. Products. This is where you load products into the system. From the main window, select Products then Products. Click Create Product. Type the product name, serial number, or automatically assign SKU barcode, upload image, select product category, select product brand, choose barcode symbology either 39 or 128, please goggle the difference between these two codes, select product unit, select warehouse, select supplier, select sale unit, select purchase unit, then select status. Enter quantity limitation, set expiry date and make special notes for the product if necessary. Click product type, select either single or variation depending on the type of product. For single product, enter the product cost, which is buying price, product price, which is selling price, stock level alert, tax rate, tax type inclusive or exclusive. Most businesses prefer inclusive, product quantity, then click save. For variation product, select variation, which is the main product e.g. bread, select variation type, for example white or brown, enter the product cost, which is buying price, serial number, or automatically assign SKU barcode, product price, which is selling price, stock level alert, tax rate, tax type inclusive or exclusive, product quantity, then click save. Repeat the same for other products. Alternatively, you can import your existing list of products if you have one. From the main window, select products, then products. Click the filter icon next to and left of create product. Select import products. From the pop-up window, select download sample to download the CSV template and save it on desktop. Minimize the POS window. Copy and paste the required fields in the saved CSV file. Maximize the POS window. Click Browse to search the suppliers list, then upload. Click Save. You can also export your product list via CSV. From the main window, select Products, then Products. Click the filter icon next to and left of Create Product. Select Export Products. Barcodes. In this section you generate and print barcodes for your products. From the main window, select Products, then Print Barcodes. For default barcodes, select the warehouse, search the product from the product list. Select paper size. Select whether to display company name, product name, or price. Click Preview, then Print. For custom barcodes, enter the SKU barcode, name, price, and quantity of the product. Select paper size. Select whether to display company name, product name, or price. Click Preview, then Print. Adjustments. In this section you adjust the stock levels for your products. From the main window, select Adjustments, then Create Adjustments. Select the warehouse, date, then search the product from the product list. Adjust the stock levels using minus and plus signs. Select either addition for stock increase or subtraction for stock decrease, then click Save. Choosing subscription package. This is where you select your subscription package. From the main window, click on the drop-down arrow next to the profile icon. Select Manage Subscriptions. Select Upgrade Plan. Choose your plan, then proceed to pay. Available payment options are manual, bank, and PayPal. Reports. This is where you get all reports for your business. From the main window, select Reports. On the taskbar on top, select from either Warehouse Reports, Sales Reports, Stock Reports, Purchase Reports, Top Selling Products Reports, Product Quantity Alerts, Supplier Reports, Profit and Loss Reports, Best Customer Reports, and Register or User Until Reports. Select the date. Click on Excel to generate Excel report. Download or export and save. Settings. This is where you enter all your default settings for your business. From the main window, select Settings. Enter your organization's details, for example default currency, email, logo, phone, default customer, default warehouse, address, etc. On the taskbar click Prefixes. Set the code prefixes, then click Save. On the taskbar click Receipt Settings. Select what to display, then click Save. On the taskbar click Taxes. Set the tax types and rates, then click Save. On the taskbar click POS Settings. Set the POS settings, then click Save. The steps elaborated above apply for both POS software and inventory software. For inventory software subscribers, please proceed with the following steps. For POS software subscribers, the following steps won't be necessary. Quotations. This is where you create and save quotations. From the main window, select Quotations, then Create Quotations. Select the warehouse date, then search the customer from the customer list. Search the product from the product list. Adjust the product levels using minus and plus signs. Repeat the steps above for other products. Enter tax, discount, or shipping details if applicable. Select status, either sent or pending, and enter any special notes if necessary. Click Save. Purchases. This is where you create purchase requests to your supplier. From the main window, select Purchases, then Purchases. Click Create Purchases. Select the warehouse date, then search the supplier from the supplier list. Search the product from the product list. Adjust the product levels using minus and plus signs. Repeat the steps above for other products. Enter tax, discount, or shipping details if applicable. Select status, either received, ordered, or pending, and payment status. Enter any special notes if necessary, then click Save. Purchase return. This is where you create purchase return requests to your supplier. From the main window, select Purchases, then Purchase Return. Click Create Purchase Return. Select the warehouse date, then search the supplier from the supplier list. Search the product from the product list. Adjust the product levels using minus and plus signs. Repeat the steps above for other products. Enter tax, discount, or shipping details if applicable. Select status, either received, ordered, or pending. Enter any special notes if necessary, then click Save. Sales. This is where you enter sales entries. From the main window, select Sales, then Sales. Click Create Sales. Select the warehouse date, then search the client from the client list. Search the product from the product list. Adjust the product levels using minus and plus signs. Repeat steps above for other products. Enter tax, discount, or shipping details if applicable. Select status, either completed, ordered, or pending, and payment status. Enter any special notes if necessary, then click Save. Transfers. This is where you transfer products from one warehouse to another. From the main window, select Transfers. Click Create Transfers. Select the date. Select Warehouse from and Warehouse to from the list. Search the product from the product list. Adjust the product levels using minus and plus signs. Repeat the steps above for other products. Enter tax, discount, or shipping details if applicable. Select status, either completed, sent, or pending. Enter any special notes if necessary, then click Save. Expense and categories. First, define the expense categories before creating the expenses. In this section you list all the expense categories. From the main window, select Expense, then Expense Categories. Click Create Expense Categories. Type the name of the expense category. Click Save. Expenses. From the main window, select Expenses, then Expenses. Click Create Expenses. Select the date. Enter expense title, warehouse, and expense category. Enter amount. Click Save. For more technical support, please click on the comment section below or email info@poseandinventorymanagementsoftware.online.